How to add your RBC debit card to your Samsung wallet. In this short video, I will explain you each and everything that how you can basically add your debit card to your Samsung wallet if you're using your Royal Bank, right? It's very easy to do it, so let's get dive in. First of all, you have to just visit this official website of the RBC, which is Royal Bank here, and you have to click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you have to just wait for a few seconds, and here you have to enter your personal detail. So make sure you enter your debit card, number and the CVV and expiration date. And once you do it, here you can see this is a client card or username. So if you have created a username, you can just enter it here. You can just click on next and you will able to access your bank, right? And once you're here, let me show you that how you can basically add your Samsung Pay wallet. It's very easy to do it. Here you can see this is the official page of RBC, and here it says that add your personal RBC credit or debit card to your Samsung Pay and pay with Samsung device almost anywhere, right? So first of all, you have to download your Samsung Pay and you can use it anywhere, and this is the settings which you have to do it in your Samsung Pay. So first of all, your physical RBC debit card and credit card, to add your card to eligible Samsung device, just follow this simple steps. So we will just click on here, right? And here you can see that first of all, you have to add your card to your Samsung Pay, then accept the RBC terms and condition. Make sure you just go and read each and everything, and you have to verify your card through the passcode. So basically that is a password, and you can also verify through your CVV number too. I hope you found this video very useful.